Hi, you're struggling with your sugar levels, is always spiking it. I'm going to give you today a remedy that can naturally support your sugar level without taking all these unnecessary pills. Ne? But if you're on medication by the doctor, then you must take it. Ne? Now, here is some rosemary. This is the rosemary there. It's a teaspoon of. You can use the fresh rosemary. This is dry ones. Ne? Cinnamon. There's a few sticks of cinnamon. You must have the root turmeric. Ne? Turmeric. The root turmeric. I don't have the root one. Teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Ne? Now I'm gonna put it in my pot. The Instagram videos is like so. I'm gonna try to make Instagram videos. Instagram. I'm gonna do the Instagram videos for now. Instagram videos. Yes, my apple cider vinegar Instagram. Here's your water. Here's my water. Ne? I put it in Instagram video. And I'm gonna bring it to a boil. Here's the tea. Ne? I don't drink a lot of rosemary tea because you can drink this tea once a day. Ne? Try to drink try to drink herbal remedies. If you drink it 5 days every day, you skip. You must have to you skip 2 days or 3 days, and then you go on until you see improvement. Ne? You must not drink it all the time. You have to skip in between. If you like this video, please like, leave a comment, follow for more. Thank you.